Stage 2: Scanning and Enumeration. After completing the planning and reconnaissance stage, the next stage in ethical hacking is scanning and enumeration. This stage involves actively probing the target system to identify potential vulnerabilities and weaknesses. In this video, we will cover what scanning and enumeration entail and how they set the stage for the next stage of ethical hacking. Step 1: Port scanning. The first step in scanning and enumeration is to perform port scanning. This involves identifying the open ports on the target system and the services running on those ports. Various tools, such as MAP or MASCAN, can be used to perform port scanning. Once the open ports and services have been identified, the ethical hacker can move on to the next step. Step 2: Service enumeration. The second step is to perform service enumeration. This involves identifying the version and configuration of the services running on the open ports. Tools such as banner grabbing or service fingerprinting can be used for service enumeration. The information gathered during service enumeration can be used to identify potential vulnerabilities and weaknesses in the target system. Step 3: Vulnerability scanning. The third step is to perform vulnerability scanning. This involves using tools, such as Nessus or OpenVAS, to identify potential vulnerabilities in the target system. Vulnerability scanning can be done using both authenticated and unauthenticated scans, depending on the level of access that the ethical hacker has to the target system. Step 4: System identification. The fourth step is to identify the operating system and software running on the target system. Various tools, such as OS fingerprinting or web application fingerprinting, can be used for system identification. Knowing the operating system and software running on the target system can be helpful in identifying potential vulnerabilities and weaknesses. Conclusion: Scanning and enumeration is a critical stage in ethical hacking. By actively probing the target system to identify potential vulnerabilities and weaknesses, ethical hackers can gather valuable information that can be used in the next stage of the ethical hacking process. In the next video, we will cover the third stage of ethical hacking: gaining access. Thank you for watching.